need a full-time Scrum Master for a project? Can a Scrum Master be 100% utilized? What does a Scrum Master do all day after the stand-up? If these questions run in your mind, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Chandravidya. In this video, we will discuss about a sprint in the life of Scrum Master. This will give you a high-level understanding of what all a Scrum Master do. When it comes to a Scrum Master role, organizations often find their own way of implementing the role, and therefore there are many kinds of Scrum Masters. There are part-time Scrum Masters who also play a developer or a project manager role. There are full-time Scrum Masters but taking care of multiple projects. There are Scrum Masters who acts more like an agile change agent, who are changing the organization, coaching the senior management, and so on. Now, let's talk about an ideal Scrum Master who is 100% dedicated to a single project. In this video, you'll get to know some of the typical tasks of a Scrum Master role, and I'll also show you how a Scrum Master calendar will look like in a sprint. Before looking at the calendar, let's discuss on all the key tasks. Sprint planning. Sprint planning is an event in Scrum that kicks off the sprint. The purpose of sprint planning is to define what can be delivered in the sprint. This can take 2 to 4 hours and involves the entire Scrum team. Daily stand-up or daily Scrum. So this meeting is an opportunity for the project team to discuss on progress at a high level. These meetings last 15 minutes on a daily basis and allow each contributor to report on their accomplishments since the last stand-up meeting. Parking lot discussions. To keep the stand-up discussion time box to 15 minutes, any topic that arises apart from the stand-up agenda will be parked for parking lot discussion. This means it will be discussed afterwards rather than right now during the meeting. So only the required set of people can stay after the meeting, like stand-up, for a parking lot discussion. Remove impediments. The Scrum Master's main responsibility is to identify, track, and remove impediments. Often, team members remove their own impediments, but sometimes impediments are beyond the ability of the team to remove. In that case, a Scrum Master may have to get support from outside of the team. One-on-one meetings. Meet individually with team members and stakeholders as needed. This could be to follow up on a status, update on a blocker or resolution, discuss about any concern from the team members, discuss on their professional growth, and so on. Face-to-face interaction will help Scrum Master to create a good rapport with team. Board administration. Scrum Master works as an administrator for the Scrum board, ensures that the cards are up to date and the Scrum tool Jira or Rally is updated regularly. Verify whether the stories that are done are in completed status, whether the team is updating the actual status of the task, and so on. Product backlog refinement. A lot of time is saved at the sprint planning meeting if the backlogs are well maintained. Product backlog refinement should be a continual process. Stories should be prioritized, refined, groomed, and kept ready for the next sprint planning. Sprint retro. Scrum team inspects how the last sprint went with regards to individuals, interactions, process, tools, and the definitions of done. The Scrum team discusses what went well during the sprint, what problem it encountered, and how those problems were solved, how that could be prevented in future, and so on. Scrum of Scrum. Scrum of Scrum is a scaled agile technique but also used in Scrum if there are multiple interrelated Scrum teams. Scrum Masters, product owners of all the Scrum team group to discuss on the progress, blockers, impediments, interdependencies, delays, so that the overall release progress can be visualized. Process check. Supporting the product owner and development team in making sure that the Scrum artifacts are completely transparent. Work with PO to maintain product backlog. Work with dev team to see if the product increment tracker is up to date, and so on. Reporting. Regular analysis of burn down charts and other portfolio planning tools to understand what gets built and at what cadence. Scrum Master might be requested to share a status every week with project manager. Sprint review. Sprint review is the time to showcase the work of the team. This is the time for the team to celebrate their accomplishments, demonstrate work finished within the iteration, and get immediate feedback from the project stakeholders. These are the regular tasks of Scrum Master, and there could be a few on-demand tasks like new resource onboarding, process improvement meetings, automation team connect, DevOps connect, and so on. Now you know all the tasks, so let's see the frequency of these in a calendar view. Let's assume we have a 10-day sprint. Sprint starts with planning on day 1, and Scrum Master can do pre-planning on day 10 for the next sprint, in which he can check for available capacity, story readiness, and so on. Stand up. It's a daily event, time boxed to 15 minutes. Parking lot discussions. It's on demand and we can assume 5 days in a sprint. Remove impediments. It is key checkpoint on daily basis. One-on-one discussions. There could be multiple one-on-one discussions in a same day. This is on demand basis. Board administration can be an alternate day checkpoint. Backlog refinement can be planned at least twice in a sprint. Sprint retro. This should happen in the first 2 days after the sprint completes. And we might have action items to work on, followed by the retro meeting. Scrum of Scrum. This could be weekly connect. Process check. We can have this checkpoint twice in a sprint. Reporting. It can be a weekly activity. And sprint review. It occurs on the last day of the sprint. I hope this calendar gives you a high-level overview of a sprint in the life of Scrum Master. Please do comment on your thoughts and suggestions. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Hit like and comment to show your support. Thanks for watching.